In an exclusive chat with Prashant Tripathy, MD and CEO of Max Life Insurance, ET Now's Bhavya Dua chatted with him about the company's composite license plans, wherein synergies of relationship with Axis Bank and the reduction of pledge levels by the promoters. Listed into all he had to say in this exclusive conversation. Let's listen into that.
So we recently had a chat about Max Life tying up with the MSMEs in UP.
Yes.
When we're talking about life insurance and general insurance, then another thing that comes into picture is the composite licensing, which has again been in talks. So is Max interested in taking one? And if yes, then which part of non-life insurance segment would you be interested to start with when it comes to composite
Absolutely.
licensing?
I see this as a very positive opportunity for all players. And especially for players of our size who have built scale over a period of time. This is like a dream opportunity, and hence Max Life Insurance will be very keen. As you know, we are present in most of the cities with large partnerships. We have our own 60,000 agents. We have close to about 400 branches. Currently, they all carry life insurance. Imagine a potential opportunity where they could carry other products also, life insurance or other insurance product. It will be a great opportunity. So we'll be very keen. We will be looking at organic as well as inorganic opportunities. And if I were to look at opportunity beyond life insurance, I think the most contiguous one is health insurance. We ourselves sell a lot of health in form of riders, etc. So health will be an opportunity that will be immediately interested in pursuing.
Right now, we also had the Odisha train tragedy. So how many claims came from there and how have you tackled those?
So we actually prepared, and I will at this point in time I'll also like to acknowledge the message from IRDAI. I think everybody at IRDAI went overboard to come up with immediate guidelines that we need to be prepared. So we are completely prepared. I am not sure if we have received any claims, but we could come back to you and confirm. But I don't think we have received claims. We will check and come back to you.
Okay. So talking about Axis's stake in Max now, right? It has increased recently. So how has that impacted the Max Life Insurance's working?
So we have had a 13-year-old relationship with Axis Bank, firstly as a distribution partner, and they have been a big stakeholder in our business, firstly as distribution partners because they do about 55% of our new sales. And in addition, we have served 25 lakhs customers. Our sum assured at Axis Bank is about 3.8 lakhs crore. So it's a very big business that we've written so far. With this deep relationship, I think both parties came together in 2020 to see if being a mere distributor is good enough or we should take the partnership to the next level. And Axis Bank actually agreed to invest close to about 20% in the stake of Max Life Insurance so that they become the promoter. In the first tranche, they have already done 13%. The balance 7 is going to happen over next few quarters. So eventually, in a few quarters, there will be 20% owners of the company. But what has changed, because that is they have become promoter of Max Life Insurance. They have a significant participation in our board. All the senior management, most senior people from Axis Bank participate in our board. And I think the strategic direction, not just as distributor, but as a parent that the company requires, that's available from Axis Bank. As you know, some of the top leaders of Axis Bank have significant experience in insurance itself. So all that is a big blessing for Max Life Insurance. And I'm very hopeful and optimistic that this relationship will go leaps and bounds in the new avatar that Axis Bank has taken in our company.
Right. So the next step post this deal is the simplification of the corporate structure. So how much time will that take? What are the timelines about that?
I think that process will begin after Axis's stake has gone to 20%. And I will say, depending on how long it takes, that's when the process will start. So we are really out looking at least 12 to 18 months in that process. So it will take us a while actually to get there, but that's the eventual plan that we have.
So also higher stake, higher value also means higher cash flowing towards Max Financial. So what would be done with that cash? Has any plans been made about that?
Yes, we are growing quite rapidly. There are huge plans that we have. Actually, we are making tons of investments in our proprietary channels. Our proprietary channels are growing quite rapidly. Last year we grew about 43%. This year we are targeting to grow, a significant number, and that is going to require a lot of capital. And that capital is going to come from some of the investments. If Axis were to make the investment, we will use that capital, otherwise we'll raise capital.
Okay. And 85% of the promoter shareholding is pledged. So how committed are they?
I think it is definitely a question in the shareholder zone, and as management, I can only say that the promoters are very committed to reduce the overall pledge levels, and they have been working in that direction. And I'm sure with the plans that they put in place, it will reduce the pledge levels quite drastically.